Ball tayo mga bossing. In ball possession, Region 4A. And he spins. Kicks it out. Corner pass. And tie game tayo mga bossing. Tie 0. And number 1, bounce pass. Takes, fire, basket. And ball possession for Calabarzon. Sa gitna. Bounce pass, left V. Corner takes. Pass to the middle, number 3. The attacks, the lace, Ginel sa taas to. And the long pass, oh, pass break. Oh, no easy back. Sa 3, slow. Rebound Calabarzon. And number 8, number 7, number 3 rather. And pass to the right wing's corner. And the pass back, number 3, corner pass, open look, launches on 3, bang! Not Region 1. Number 77, high pass to the middle, goes in for Region 4A. For the inbound, for team Region 1, number 1, between the legs. Pass to the right wing for 3, no. Rebound mapupunta dito pa rin. Sa team Region 1, number 1, drives, kicks it out, open, fires on 3. No, rebound pa rin. 1-5 for the inbound Region 1, number 1. He's setting the play, tatapik sa ulo. Number 77, ball stolen. And setting the play, decided to take it easy. The long pass, open, takes. Drives, bump, fake, another fake, kicks it out, another fake, sa gitna, open, fires at 3, no. Rebound mapupunta dito sa Region 1, number 1, number 24, using the glass, that's good. And here's number 7, 14, Calabarzon. Number 14 to the corner, number 8, bounce pass, Calabarzon, bounce pass, fakes. Fires rejected from behind, rebound Region 1, pass break, all alone, lefty lace, in and out. And here's number 3, Calabarzon. Pupunta sa gitna, no look pass, fakes, kicks out, wild open for 3, in and out. Rebound number 24, team Region 1. And it's number 24, na libre sa loob, pumeke pa. 3, Region 2, Region 1, Region 4, basketball, pass, bang! Sa 3. Sorry, nagkakamali tayo ng mga sinasabi mga bossing. Region 1, basketball, high pass to number 24, bump, linini. Calabarzon for the inbound. Ball out of bounds. Calabarzon 8, Region 1, 7. And to the left, fakes. Number 3, corner pass, Duterte. High pass back to number 3. Number 3 to number 4. Stops to Duterte. Duterte steps inside, lefty lace, no. Rebound mapupunta dito sa Region 1. Pass break ngayon. And for 3, no good. And the pass to the middle, straight to the hoops, no good. Tumalon para, number 13, no, wala pa rin. Number 77, poke, back shot, wala pa rin. Sa kanya pa rin rebound. Basket and 1 ang hanap ng Region. And it's penalty. And ball possession for Region 4A. Inside pass. Babangga dito si Duterte. Second free throw Duterte. Free throw area. And 10-9 ang score natin mga boss. And number 1, pinasa pa, extra pass pick. Oh, saan ka punta? To the moon. And it's number 4 for team Region 4A. Oops. And number 4 inbounding. Pass it to the middle. And poke. And here's Region 4A. Corner pass, the fake, the attacks, Pinoy step, bounce pass, and stolen for Team Region 4A. Number 16, Lays. Bumalag. First throw is good. 12-10 score natin lamang dito ang 12. Rebound pa rin Region 4A. Left ear Lays 3. That's foul. Ang both team. Rebound dito, Team Region 1. Number 25. Lulusot. Number 3. The drive, the bump. Pinabitin, no? Rebound, mapupunta sa Region 1 pa rin. Pumeke, kicks it out. Sa gitna, number 77, lefty. Floater, no? Nag-agawan. Mapupunta na naman. Dive for the ball. Backdoor inbound, Team Region 1. Number 13, open fires. No. Rebound pa rin dito sa Region 1. Naagawan ng Candy. And ball stolen. Fakes. Step through. No. Rebound mapupunta dito sa Region 1. Nagmamadali 3-on-1. Pinasa number 13 fakes against Duterte. Bullseye! And his team Region 4A. Stops and pass to the middle. Open, iniwan. Wala. Rebound Region 1. Here comes Region 1, bounce pass number 25. Number 13, Kumeke, pull-up jumper, napakataas na talon. Number 4, pasa sa gilid, Duterte. Number 16, corner 3, may foul. Committed by number 25. Pasok yan. 16-15 score natin mga boss. Oops, stolen. Straight to the hole, and it's good. For the inbound Region 1. Bounce pass. Number 3, oops, stolen again. Number 3, pinabitin using the glass, no. Rebound Region 1. And the pass. 3-on-2, binitbit. Oh, what a spectacular move for Region 1. That's number 3. Grabing mekos yun. And for the left 3, no. Here comes number 25 for Region 1. Number 3. Number 24, bump, spinning. Number 14, inside pass. Wala, di kumonekta, fake. Spins, fires off the window, basket is down. And number 14, to Duterte. Duterte fakes, drive, left, rejected. And here comes Region 1, number 25. He stops. And stolen by number 4 for Region 4. Lumipad, Lays. Number 25 to the left. And stolen it back. Number 14. Inside pass. Kinabitin malakas. Put back shot. Wala pa rin. And number 23. Wild left alone for 3. Wala. Duterte. Duterte spinning. Lazy. Last on the free throw. Duterte is good. Oh, stolen. Number 3. Lazy. Number 23. Bounce pass. Fires off the window. That's good. Number 14 to the right. Number 19. Oh, stolen. And Region 1, basketball. And number 13. To the left for 3. Number 3, no. Rebound para dito sa Team Calabarzon. Number 71, Duterte. Duterte binara. Yari si Duterte. Fakes, binangga, crossover to the corner. Here comes Region 1. Stolen. Number 4. Binitbit, pinasa, fakes. And sa gitna, Duterte babawi, tatlong sumabay, wala. Baseball pass. Number 23. High pass, grabbing inbound play yun. Perfect pass. Number 4, dinadaan-daan lang. Pass to corner 3. No, upo. 24 mga bossing. 24 all. Inbound bounce pass, aagaw, nanakaw, wala. Put back shot, wala pa rin. Baseball pass, sakto yung pasa. Number 3. And here you go, Region 4A. Number 29 now at the top. Pass to number 4, corner pass. Number 4. Pass to the left wings, corner pass again. Fires at 3, bang! Gandang ikot ng bola. And ball possession for Region 4A. Number 14, the receiver. Spinning, goes to the screen. Poke away, almost stolen. Pero for the inbound, here Team Karaa. Naagaw, side step, pinasa sa kalaban. And number 7. And ball possession para sa team Region 4A. Attacks, bounce pass to the middle, stolen by number 2. Number 2 for Region 1. Number 77. And ball possession for Region 1. 27-24. Saves the ball. And stolen. And the pass break. Sakto yung tira pero sumobra. Oh! And the pass. Ang ganda naman nun. The pass is good. And it's number 7. Pass back number 3. For 3. Too strong. Rebound mapupunta dito sa Region 4A. Putback. First throw. Wala. Region 1 versus Region 4A. Number 3. Inside pass. Top shot. (28, 27) di yun pumasok. And ball possession Region 4 Apex. Inside pass Duterte, libre na pa. And near Region 1, number 2. Muntik ng magawan. Naagaw ng Team Region 1. Ito na si number 4. Atake, babump, stop. Number 3, fake pass and fire. Oh! And here you go, Region 4A. Gustong makabawi. Atake, inside pass. For Region 4, number 4, umatake. Wala. Crave saves the ball. Nakuha ng Region 4. Fires now. Rebound, baseball pass. Sa gitna, launches on 3. Bang! Triple! And it's number 3. In Region 4, bounce pass, number 13. Stop spins, number 4, the receive. Bounce pass, corner pass. To number 7, launches on 3. Oh, air ball. No look pass, corner. For 3. Bang! And connects. Got 3. Number 3. Pass to the right wings. For 3. Short. Rebound mapupunta sa Region 4. Pinasa. Stolen. And the pass break. Hinabol yung bola. Picks. Take space. Basket. And 1. Tinignan pa. Oh. Musang ka muna. For completing the 3-point play. Number 4. No. 36-32 score natin mga bossing. Ito na ang Region 1. Lay, short. Rebound, Duterte. Duterte, pinasa sa gilid. Atake. For 3. Naagaw. And number 4 ulit lumipad. Ang gandang pasa ulit sa gitna. Pasok yan para number 16. Here you go. Region 4 inside pass. And another extra pass kicks it out. Number 4 pinasa sa loob. Bagsak si Idol. Number 16 nagmamadali. 3 on 2. Side step. Lumusot. Basket and 1. Region 4A. Sa gitna sa eksaktong-eksakto yun. Pass break ulit. Duterte with the steal. Duterte. Diretso. Wala. Malakas. Rebound. Bangga. Putback, wala pa rin. Rejan, kinalawit. Oh, dive for the ball. Inside pass na libre. May tawag, double foul. Backdoor inbound for Region 4A. Kicks out. Number 7. Number 13. Stolen. Number 7. And the attack, the side step, top shot, in and out, fight for the rebound. Goes to Region 4A, wala pa rin. Rebound mapupunta dito sa Region 1. Number 3. No hesitation, Lace. No. In and out. And ball possession, Region 1, number 77, corner fakes. Drives inside, lays short. Duterte the rebound. Duterte no look pass. Lays off the window, won't go. Rebound, Region 1. Region 1 inside pass, the fake. Top shot. No. Region 1. Sa gitna, number 77, pumukol ng press. No. Off the target. Rebound. Region 4. Number 3, nakabili, nakalusot. Diretso. Basket is good. At nakakaulit. Pinasa. Fires. No. Region 1 for the rebound. And straight to the tanglang yun ang take off. Boom! Baseball pass number for the inbound. Sandok. Stolen. And number 3 again. Tinignan yung pantay. Pasok yan. Number 3. And it's Region 1. Naagaw na naman. And extra pass. Takes. Spins. And fire. Ball. Sabing pinapakita dito ni number 3 para sa Calabarzon. And the long pass. Number 4, bounce pass. Bounce back. Corner. Wild open for 3. No. Go under in 4. Kalara. Later po. Andun na. Pasok. Stolen again by number 3. Lays up again. Face to face. No putback shot. Wala pa rin. And here you go. Region 1. Stops and bounce pass. Number 4. Stop. Long 2. That's good. And lumusot. Number 3. Corner. Wide open for 3. Bang! Nothing but the bottom of the net. Third quarter action here. Ball possession. Region 4A. Spins back. Malik. And pass to Duterte. Deep 3. No. Rebound mapupunta dito sa Region 4A. Almost stolen. Number 3. Spins. Stops pass inside. Ball out of bounds. Inside pass Duterte. Lefty shot. Oh, lefty with the finish. And Region 1. Lumulobo na dito ang kalamangan natin. No look pass on the inside. Top shot won't go. Rebound for Region 4A. 58-42 tayo mga boysing. 16-point lead for Region 4A. Tumasinta sa 3. Bang! Triple! And here's number 11. Number 25. Now with the leader. Sisinyas dito. Spinning. Up. Ooh, wow. A. And number 8, inside pass again to Region 4A, inbounding. And pass to number 8, pull-up jumper, no. Rebound dito, Region 1. And the bounce pass, Tandok. Passes to the left wings. He stops, corner pass. Decided taking in easy, Tandok. Pass to number 11, dancing at the floor to the middle. Drives, toss, poke away, stolen. And here comes Region 4A. High pass, stolen by number 11. Tinignan ba yung bantay? Natapik patalikod, number 4. Now, lulusot sa tatlo. And recover. And number 8 stops. Bounce pass to Duterte. Poke away, stolen for Team Region 1. And natapik ulit na agaw and the pass. And the fire of the glass. Bank shot is good. Number 4 for Region 1, left alone for 3. Bang! Nothing but the bottom of the net. And here comes Region 4A, number 3, Sisinyas dito. Duterte with the receive. The post. Attacks, reverse layup, basket, and one by Sting. The strong energy drink. 30. And he launched, completing the 3-point play. I'm so sorry. And the pass break, tinap board pa, and that's good. Duterte, cross pass, number 4, the drives, the beat, the lace. Kaso bawal palang plastic dito. Wala. Pumukol, wala. Region 4A. Sharing the play at the top. Number 26. Inside pass, ball stolen, baseball pass. Nauna na dito si number 4. Lace, it's good. And Aasinta, papasa, number 5, pass back, number 4. Walang binigay, And ball possession, Region 1. And ball is stolen. Nakalusot, binit-bit, basket is good. Almost poke away, stolen. Top shot of the window won't go. Rebound mapupunta dito para sa Region 4A. Pull-up jumper, too strong. First on the free throw and it's in. Sa 21 ang Region 4A. 22. Ano kaya ang gagawin dito ng Region 1A? Atake, segway, poke away. One, the receiver. Datawag ng poste, pinostehan, may foul. Clara Region, mga bossing. Bounce pass, Duterte, corner pass. Sa gitna. Corner pass for 3. No. Rebound, Region 1. And here you go, Region 1. Basketball. Number 16. Stops. Number 1. No look pass inside fakes. Fires off the window. That's good. Number 16 setting the play for Region 4A. 29 sa gitna. 26. Corner pass for 3. Won't go. Rebound, Region 1. Here you go, Region 4A, bounce pass, corner pass, pass it back, number 16. Number 29, corner pass, bounce pass, stolen for Region 1. Spins, nakalusot, and the picks, step through, no, ribbon, number 14, binangga, giba, open. And here's number 16. And ball out of bounds. 51 tayo mga bossing, 20-point lead. Number 1 nakalusot, pinasa, far short. Rebound Region 4A. Calabarzon, number 20. High pass, number 29. Mayor, sa gitna, fakes. Hook pass, fakes. Drive, gitna, sa 3. No, off the target. Rebound number 14. Long pass, attacks, Pinoy step, reverse fly-up, grabe namang tira yun. Number 3. Baba sa 18 ang kalamangan mga bossing. Number 9 stops, number 29 to the corner, pass back fakes, number 91, corner pass binalik, number 20, bang! Done it! Number 1, sinigzag. Oh, stolen. Oh, dapa. Corner pass. One single hand pass. Number 77 sa 3, no. Rebound number 14. Nagawan ng Candy. Ito na ang Region 4A. Atake, tuloy, short. Rebound number 7. The long pass. Attacks, umislow pa. Pasok yan para guys. Number 20, bounce pass stolen by number 77. Inside pass, binit bet. Yan. And here you go, Region 4A almost stolen. Number 91, open look na naman sa 3. No, air ball. And Region 1 decided to take it easy, slowly dribbling the ball. Slowly but surely for 3. No. And nag-agawan na pass for 3. No, off the target. $18 puntos ang abante dito ng Region 4A. And it's Region 1 for 3. No. Number 29. Pasa sa gitna. Number 30. Stop for 3. No. Region mapupunta sa Region 1. Attacks. Backdoor inbound. Corner pass number 1. Atake dito. Kicks it out. Launches on 3. Short. Number 24. Number 5. Number 91. Corner pass. For 3. In and out. Region 1 the rebound. Straight to the hoops. No. Rebound dito. Region 4A. Naagaw dito. Inside pass, sakto yung pasa, bumomba, tumira, wala pa din, rebound, bumamba ulit. Here comes Region 4A. Number 16. Number 91. Sa gitna, pull-up jumper free throw area. Pull up jumper, corner, no. Fight for the rebound. High pass sa gitna. Fakes. Number 31, number 23 goes to the corner, step back. Pass number 13 sa gitna, open look for 3. Bang! Ganit back. And pass inside. And here you go, Region 4A. Tatlo laban sa dalawa. Tuloy-tuloy, no. Rebound, Region 1. Ipinasa picks. Fires of the window. Bullseye. Tandok. Number 18. Pass. And number 5 now. Take it easy. High pass number 16. For the inbound, posting up, inside pass to Duterte, Duterte, short, rebound mapupunta sa Region 1. And here you go, Tandok, Tandok, inside pass, rejected. Number 4 to Duterte, Duterte, Pinoy step, reverse layup, it's good. Mga bossing, di pa nakakapasok eh. Stolen. Place, it's good. And here comes Region 4A. Stops, long pass. Sakto yung pasa. Bounce pass to Duterte off the window. Yes, sir. Open fire sa 3 off the target. Rebound Duterte. Oh! And for the inbound, Region 1, sa 3. Bang! Here's Region 4A. Atake. Stops sa gitna. Top shot. Short. May foul tayo mga bossing. And the long pass na tapikan, recover, straight to the hoops, nilipat sa kabila, sayang yun. For the inbound, Region 1, attack, plays, yes sir. Long pass, lead. It's 13-point lead mga bossing, attack. Backdoor inbound, Region 1, pass, step back, corner, open, fire sa 3, bang! Down to 10-point lead. 25-85, 10-point lead na lang mga bossing. 85-75 ang score natin mga bossing. Number 3, nakalusot. Dumistansya, stop pass to number 14. Bump. Fakes, stop for 3. Short. Rebound pa rin. Region 4A. Spins. Sa gitna, libreng-libre. Wala pa rin. Rebound dito, Region 4A. Pinasa sa malayo. And kuhan dito ng Region 4A, number 4. And here's Region spins. Inside pass, ang gandang pass. Duterte with the finish. And back to 12-point lead, mga bossing. Inside pass, poste, bangga, fire, no. Rebound mapupunta dito sa Region 4A. Here's number 4 again. And nakalusot. Bounce pass Duterte. Kinain. Oh, may foul.
Pa-release ako pare mamaya. Ikaw pala to eh.
Oh, ano yan?
Get eh.
Tratado.
Ano eh, no?
Tratado.
Alive kasi.
Uy, dala. And still here. Region 1. Cross pass. Tatapikan. And stepping sa gitna. For Team Region 1. Atake nakalusot. And the back. And stop. 89-77 score natin. Mga bola, tapikan. And dinig ng pawa. Yun lang. Sayang. And it's Region 4. AP Nasa na recover fix. Attack sa gitna. And uy. And 4-3. No. Inside pass. Fix. Bump. And the pass, deep three. No. Fight for the rebound, put back shot, wala pa rin. Grabe. Niluluwa ng ring yung bola. Ayaw niyang lamunin mga bossing. And here's Team Region 4 that drives the side step, kicks it out while open for 3. Off the target, ang layo nun. Here comes Region 1 number 1. Babawi sa 3. Ginangga.
Kaya Paul.
Ito.
700k.
Football. And the ball possession for Region 4A, dancing at the floor, number 3, kicks out fakes, number 30, corner pass for 3, no, 55 mga bossing. Ha? Number 30 for 3. No good. And number 77. Step back for 3. Wala. Sa 3. Wala pa rin. Niluluwa. Number 11. Pull up jumper. No good. Rebound. 32 seconds. Pumasok yung red.